Dune Part 2 is exclusively in theaters March 1st. If you're new to Dune, don't worry, we can catch you up really quick.
Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy.
Dune is about family. You've got the good family, mom, dad, and their son Paul with the amazing hair, played by Timothée Chalamet. And the bad family, clearly these guys. They've had a beef for centuries. Over what, you might ask? A whole planet, often referred to as
Dune.
Yep, that's a lot of sand. It contains the most valuable and powerful substance known to man.
Spice.
The planet is also home to a group of fierce warriors who'll do anything to protect it. Just look for the blue eyes. Pay attention to Chani. She's been showing up in Paul's visions. You'll be seeing a lot more of her in Part 2 when they join forces. And there's one other tiny little thing to look out for. Sandworms. Not kidding. This is actually a small one.
War is coming.
And that war is going to have big action, huge stakes, more worms, and a bunch of new faces. Like you've never seen them before.
I'm gonna kick this guy's ass.
Crafted exclusively for the big screen by director Denis Villeneuve with another killer score by Hans Zimmer. And now you're all caught up.
Thanks.
Dune, Peščeni planet drugi del, samo v kinu.